Hello, today I'm going to show you how to stop high internet data usage on Windows 11. If your data is being consumed too quickly, it might be due to background apps, automatic updates, cloud syncing, or telemetry service. Fortunately, there are effective ways to reduce unnecessary usage and take control of your bandwidth. Let's get started. Open the search menu and type Settings. Click on the top result to open it. On the left panel, click Network and Internet. On the right panel, select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Data Usage. Click Enter Limit to set a data usage cap. You can choose how often to reset the limit, monthly, one time, daily. It will also show your usage over the last 30 days by default. That's it. You've now set a limit to reduce high internet data usage on your PC. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. I hope it helped. See you in the next one.